Hey guys and girls, welcome back to OzMTG. I'm your host Greg, this is your other host Tim, and today we're here to open some Jumpstart 2022 with the new anime art. Let's get cracking. So we've opened up all the packs. We had 3 booster boxes to open actually. As you can probably see from the thumbnail of the video, we got approximately, I think it was 35 out of the 45 decks to open, some of the multiples, multiple times. Yeah. So let's have a look to see if the old adage of are they different or are they all the same depending on the packs, which will be cool with the ones that we got 5 of, which we should at least hit if there's an alternate one, maybe hit 1 out of the 5. These packs where we only have 2 of them, we might not hit that. They might both be the same if one's more rare and one's more common, which is what happened in the other previous Jumpstart.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they said that there was going to be mythic packs and rare packs, so there will be differences there. And then also if there's differences in the anime art slot as well, or if you get the same one,
that'd be cool.
Which would be nice.
All the cards have been announced, so we know what cards can be in here. We just don't know where they are or what they are in. So what we'll do, we'll start off we'll do these by color. So we might do a video for each color. Probably be easier to break them down as well. Definitely white and red, there were less packs. Blue, green, and black were probably twice the amount of packs that we got in each of those colors compared to the white and red for our distribution. Whether or not there's just less white and red themed packs than there are blue, green, and black. Who knows? Or it could just be that the 10 that we got were all white and red ones, the ones that we missed, sorry. So let's get cracking. We'll start up. So we'll do them in order of, like I said, we'll do white, red, blue, green, and then black. And then we'll show you which ones we got, and we'll do each one. So there's like 2 of lore here, yet we only have 1 of spirit, 2 of blink. We'll open both lore to see if we can get those weird distributions of packs. All right, let's get cracking. Okay, so let's start with lore. We have 2 packs of lore, and we'll see how we go. Do they have a little tab? No, they don't. So let's just bust them open. Yeah, I know.
Hopefully the rear card's not the mythic. Oh, there you go.
Decree of Justice. Okay, so this looks like a
nice
regular
reprint.
Nice reprint. Magnanimous Magistrate, Arrest, Phalanx Tactics, Unquestioned Authority, Law-Ruined Enforcer. So we're going to try and find the art as well. Some of the anime arts don't look a hell of a lot different than the regular arts now with Magic.
And some of them have new art too as well.
Okay, so we got the
Heaths.
The Heaths, which is great. Do we have alternate lands? So that's a question. Are we going to get a special land like we got in last time? No. So there's 3 different arts. So this must be the anime, the Decree of Justice. Oh, it is, because it's a different artwork for Decree of Justice. All right, so let's go. First pack, Decree of Justice. Let's open this next one and we'll see what we get. So it's also lore. There we go. Izamaru, Hound of Konda. So we did get 2 different packs, so I'm guessing this is the anime art one. Michiko. Yes, this is Michiko, Konda, Truthseeker. Great card. So this must be the more rare pack because this is an expensive card. And Izamaru is the goodest boy. Arrest, Edifice. Yeah, this is actually different and quite different. This is quite a different deck. So let's see. Even the land base is just weirdly out of sync.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is different. So we have pulled 2 of the different things. It is good to see. Yeah. We'll go on to the next one. We'll go Constellation. We have 2 Constellation packs. It's really horrible that they don't have the easy openers. This one opened a lot easier than the others. So Constellation. Let's see what we hit. Archon,
not a bad card.
Oh, there we go. There's an anime art one, Sage's Reverie.
That's cool.
That's a really cool card. Blessed Spirit, Favored Arona, Spectral Steed, Chains of Custody, Glory Bearer, Defending Unicorn, Papa, and the same lands in the same weird distribution.
Okay, so they're all the same art on the land cycle.
Yeah, same art. So that's,
which is not too bad.
It's not as cool as the last Jumpstart. The last Jumpstart had that alternate art, so you had like the Goosey lands and the Papa land and all that. So let's see what this one's like. Oh, this one looks like the same. So we got an identical one. Okay. So
and the anime art is the same too.
The same. So
it looks like your anime slot is identical in that slot.
Yeah. So all right. So we got 2 blinks. So we'll go blink first.
One good thing about having the same lands is if you want to make a commander deck, you can always use these ones as well.
Resto Angel. Preston, here we go. The Vanisher. That's cool.
That dude's actually really cool. He is really cool for blinking.
Yeah. Brightmare. Oh, there you go. There's the anime art. Flicker of Fate.
That's nice.
That's really cool. It's a good card.
Good card,
in Flicker.
Yeah.
Valera Steve.
Oh, see beyond reality.
And same thing with the lands. So that one was a Restoration Angel and Preston. I think that will be the rare one because that's the new card.
Yeah.
I think that maybe the new cards are the ones that are the rare version, although the white other one. Oh, yeah, here we go. Emiel the Blessed.
Yep.
Great card, but mythic, but not as cool as the new card. Yeah, look, you get a different... It is slightly different. So, same
anime
flicker.
slot.
So it's the same anime slot for this particular one.
Which is a little bit disappointing because that means those anime slots, the cards that you would assume would be a little bit more expensive, a bit rarer, they're not really as rare.
Yeah, so they're going to be in every pack, but that's all right. Look, you do have to get a random pack, and we opened 3 boxes and still didn't get everything technically. So we've got Holy, Blessed Sanctuary, great card.
Yep.
Oh yeah, there you go. There's the anime art.
Wow.
Angelic Cub, that's really
That's
cute.
cool. 2 good types as well, Cat and Angel.
Cat Angel, Emancipation Angel, got Oculus, Chains of Custody, Angelic Page. So obviously you can use this, Light of Hope, great card. You can use this as a thing for when you're going to buy the packs. If your store does pull these apart and then you see the Holy pack, as you can do with the original one. I know a lot of gaming stores in the gaming store where I'm at, you could pull them apart and then you could sell the packs so people could get what they wanted, or the chance to hit, especially with this version as the original version, the chance to hit the mythic.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go, different version. So Dawn of Hope, Valkyrie Harbinger, Planar Atlas, Emancipation Angel. Oh, there we go.
Anime art. Wow, that's very
That's actually a different anime art.
Yeah, it is. It is. Hey, that's the first one that we've had.
Inspiration Cloak, Chains of Custody.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, it is the same.
Oh, hang on. You had 2.
Oh, that wasn't anime art. Okay.
It wasn't.
So
It's
the
just
Angelic
new
Cub
art.
looks like anime art, but kind of isn't. But
it's new art.
Emancipation Angel is the art. Okay, that's cool. All right.
That's really nice. I know they were putting new art in
We're going to go
these packs
Knights
as well.
Yeah, so there's quite a lot. Even the Ristic Study has a new artwork for it. So let's see what kind of knight we get. Circle of Loyalty. Oh yeah, this is the one we want. Balin Wandering Knight.
Cool.
That is a cool Cat Knight.
Awesome effect as well
card,
with great art, great new art.
I'm glad to get that one because let's be real, I have a cat deck, Jousting Lance, and then the lands are all the same.
And the land cycle.
Okay, so these are the ones we only have singles of, so we're trying to hit that one, the Balin, the alternate better version. Oh, jeez. Not very great to open, unfortunately. They don't have the little slide openers that they normally have. Hour of Reckoning.
Pretty average.
Oh, yeah. Eidolon of Rhetoric. That's
not a bad card.
Gross.
And in anime, that's really cool.
Yeah, Galleys Warden. So, yeah, so you could use this as and at least any of the double ones we open, to know exactly what's in these packs. And even the single ones to know what your chances are. Obviously, as we've seen, there's 2 versions. From memory, I can't remember if there was 2 versions of every single pack in the last one. I don't think from memory there was. I could be wrong. I didn't open it. I opened a fair bit of it. Greg's
this
Cost,
is the new guy.
Solid, that's the new guy, which is really cool.
Interesting.
Angelic Cub that we keep thinking. Oh, Valorous Stance. There we go. That's a cool Valorous Stance.
And a good card
cool.
too.
And a great card.
Yeah.
Tempered, Angelic Protector.
Good slot.
So we might get lucky, who knows, with these ones. As with the first printing of the lands, that's why we're just quickly flicking through the lands. They actually had a lot of misprints and double prints of the lands. So they were island forests and all those kind of things. Pseudo.
Interesting to see in this one, they put Sandstone Bridge in here as well, which is different. All the rest of the packs have had the Thriving Heath and
correct.
those, so you've got Sandstone.
Different utility lands. So,
yeah.
Well, there's the white packs. I guess we'll get on to the red packs next, and we'll see you in the next video. So like and subscribe, and thanks for your support. See you in the next one.